So I've got the PrimeZone shelving unit here that was gifted to me by the company. So thank you for sending this out to me to try out. So this is really industrial heavy duty rack. This is the 5 shelf unit here. So it has 5 different racks. It is over 6.5 feet tall with the wheels on. You can either put the wheels on like that or have the flat feet if you like. So you can do either one. The shelves are about 2 feet deep here, so nice and deep, really nice and wide. You can see I can fit 3 of the containers in there. So really heavy duty, really nice black metal here. It does come with like 4 of these hooks here as well, so you can hang stuff. And then it comes with some extra parts as well. So there's the feet that you could use if you don't want to use the wheels, and a few spare parts and a wrench as well. Assembly was quite easy. You just put these plastic pieces in there and the shelves will fit on there just like any of the other racks. So really easy to set up, really heavy duty, and with the wheels it's really easy to move around. So yeah, if you are in need of a really nice rack here for any type of use, then definitely check this one out.